Welcome back to the coolest dude on the tool. It's your boy MC Doc, baby. What's going on with you? You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another reaction, you know what I'm saying, from the Jacksons. Holla at me. Hump Day Wednesday, man. Wake and bake with your boy. Let me take a dose of this coffee right quick. All right. We finna take it back to the essence, baby. We finna take it back to the beginning, man. I know we've been like, you know what I'm saying, doing reactions for all the up-to-date little new dudes, all that. We salute them. We give them all their flowers right now. But the wordplay they be displaying came from this particular group right here. And these dudes is goats, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm going to just take this quick little commercial break. And y'all know how we do, baby. We going to come right back with it, you know what I'm saying? So what I want y'all to do, take your shoes off, roll you up a blunt, get you some coffee, come holler at your boy, cause y'all about to feel me flow, baby.
Just get down here, baby. Let everybody
get
down
it.
here. We gonna miss the bus. Just get down here, all right? No, that wasn't my beeper. And I don't know somebody else's. Just get down here, all right? All right, all right.
Yo, this the Sizzler with the weather. As if you didn't know, this heat wave got us crazed. Keeps getting hotter on the blotter. But while you frying out there, you gotta...
Hey, honestly, before we get started though, I know y'all hear like the little air in the background or whatever, but I'm in the IE, it's triple digits, you know what I'm saying? So it's like this video kind of fit the moment that I'm in, so that's why y'all hearing the air in the background. It's all good though, baby. Y'all gonna hear the music, you gonna see the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's feel me flow, naughty by nature, baby.
know I'm trying in here. Trying to keep you cool, my brothers and sisters. Playing those frosty, cold, refreshing jams. All day, every day. Stay cool on the street, peeps. Beat that heat any way you can.
Already though caught your attention. You about to feel a lyrical bionic over, you know what I'm saying? Man, hold on, let's go back, TREACH. But that's where Eminem got it from. Eminem said that he was listening to TREACH one day, I guess this particular track, and that's where he got his cadences and everything from. Let's check him out though, man. Come on, TREACH. They sleeping on TREACH.
You about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle lyric, lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission and just hitting. Now it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word, damn you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Illy and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally and found in alleys and rallies. Really?
Hey man, hold on. You about to feel the chronicles of the bionicle lyrics of the spitting, the written, the getting. Hey, I love that. You know what I'm saying? That's well put together. You can say it slow or fast. TREACH killed that, baby. Hump Day Wednesday, boy, with your boy, the coolest dude on the tool. Come on, let's give him one more play. Let's go.
You about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle lyric, lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission and just hitting. Now it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word, damn you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Illy and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally and found in alleys and rallies. Really? So here we go. Now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. Never mixing with tricking brothers, bitching over fixes that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things is bitten and getting written off. You're like a platter, bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started, so what, so long, see you fly by my try. How else could I say it when you play it? Try boom, bye bye, bye bye. Here we go, now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. Here we go, now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. The flow pro.
Hey, before they go, first they was in the summertime, you know what I'm saying? And now, you know what I'm saying? It's like they about to switch it, baby, from the summertime, going to take you on a little trip to the snow, baby. Let's go.
Try boom, bye bye, bye bye. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, gonna feel me flow. Here we go now.
Next destination.
The flow pro poetical with skills only a better, no where's the weather flow that's on point like decimals, manhandling new crew, partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo poo. I thought you knew two stone styles and stamina jam.
Honestly, y'all, come on now. I'm sorry, but when you hear these lyrics right here, don't you hear that in Eminem? You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment if you do. I'm gonna take it back one more again, and then I'm gonna let the song play. You heard? But let me see. Go back, and then just picture these lyrics, and then picture M.
Try boom, bye bye, bye bye. Here we go now.
So let's switch it back to the snow. I ain't gonna do nothing, y'all.
The flow pro poetical with skills only a better, no where's the weather flow that's on point like decimals, manhandling new crew, partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo poo. I thought you knew two stone styles and stamina jamming, and while we're planning the jam, we bust with a party amateur damages, managing damaging mics, men, and even mannequins. You're a fan again. Now I wanna know who's the man again. Naughty's back like vertebrae. Word to hey I ho. The way I show you pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie. So bang time to slang bang and watch all the boo tag tag tag. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, gonna feel me flow. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, gonna feel me flow. Playing K, you break the body up, but beat the break into boogie. Firm and fully chase bass lines like bullies. All we wanna know is if your body wanna party. It's a boot tang tang for everybody. So hip up and split up, get up, your wit up, souped up, put your boots up, no guts set up for sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake shows until they fizz up, rizz up, like you're with us. If not, zip up your lip up, whip up. Hits with ransom, foul styles get in. Once we came back 'cause we heard it pop needed another anthem, black like Noah. In fact, then for ya, and we was back in the days with the gypsies, we'd have been known as the flowers. Revenue since the 70s, find me.
Man, Tretch, come on, man. We go back.
Watch us rip up, shake shows until they fizz up, rizz up, like you're with us. If not, zip up your lip up, whip up. Hits with ransom, foul styles get in. Once we came back 'cause we heard it pop needed another anthem, black like Noah. In fact, then for ya, and we was back in the days with the gypsies, we'd have been known as the flowers. Revenue since the 70s, find me. So we went crazy in the 80s, so we woke his heinies in the 90s. Oops, the naughties, troops in sections of 40. So clap your hands and hold your shorty, I'm naughty. Here we go now.
Classics, baby. You know what I'm saying? Sending them to the caskets, baby. You heard? Man. Like, share, and subscribe, baby. They slept on Tretch. Huh? MC Doc, baby. Entertainment.